In this tutorial, I'll show you how to filter, group and sort databases in Notion so you can organize your information and find what you need faster. Let's get started. Open the database you want to organize. At the top of the database, you'll find options for filter, sort and group. Click Filter to display only the items that match specific conditions. For example, you can filter by status, tags, assignee, or due date to focus on the information you need. Next, click Sort and choose the property you want to sort by, such as date, priority, or name. Select ascending or descending order depending on how you want the results displayed. To organize your database into sections, click Group and choose a property like status, category, or assignee. Notion will automatically group related items together for a clearer overview. You can combine filters, sorting, and grouping to create custom database views that match your workflow and make managing your information much easier. That's how to filter, group, and sort Notion databases. Thanks for watching.